When taking an iPhone photo with your iPhone, the sun can be your best friend or your worst enemy. If you don't use it properly, it can make your subject look less than flattering. Bring your models into a nice shaded area. Important note, don't forget to clean your lens. I know there's people out there that haven't wiped their lens since they first got their phone. Now swipe left and switch your camera to portrait mode. Next, position yourself so the sun isn't hitting your lens. This can cause lens flares and hazy photo. Have your models pose. It's a tradition for the ladies on both ends to put their hands on their hips. This is a phenomenon that's been around since the beginning of time and will always be flattering for the ladies. Take the shot. Let's edit. First, bring the aperture down to create more background blur. I love f1.8. Bring up the brilliance, pump up the contrast, add a little vignette. You can use cleanup tool to get rid of some backgrounds you don't want in the photo, but also to get rid of blemishes and that little light that touched her nose. And now you have a perfect portrait taken straight from your iPhone. Share, like, and follow for more. Join Camera to Freedom School to learn how to take better photos and videos so you can make better content. Link in bio.